Hi everyone. Today myself Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technology, bring you to our weekly Tech Tuesday. Today topic is how to use Extrude command in Fusion 360. Before starting this session, uh, I want to introduce my company, Capricorn Technology, a Winjero company and a partner of choice for the AEC industry. Is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus inspired team member. Capricorn is serving 20,000 customer in AEC and associated industries along with other industry as well. Capricorn, a Win0 company, is now part of Arcans Group. So today I would like to present extrude command. What is extrude command? Extrude command is nothing. It's just create a 3D solid from an object that includes an area or 3D surface from an object with open ends. Find object can be extruded orthogonally from the plane of the source object in specified direction or along a selected path. So let's move on the Fusion 360 software screen and we will see how to perform extrude command. As we can see that this is my Autodesk Fusion 360 screen, and for extrude command, first hit the E button for extrude command. After press E button, this dialog window will come, and here select first option is profile and there is a option select. So if we select any 2D sketch, then you can see one selected is we can see one selected. If we select more than one 2D sketch, then we can select as well, and just click click in this arrow and drag it, then we can extrude as the given distance here 45 mm. As per requirement we can change this, for example 50. Similarly, again, just I want to extrude this to this sketch, select extrude. Moving for the next feature called direction. This feature control of the direction of the extrude. So select one side by sliding. So first of all, we have to create any sketch. So suppose I am creating a sketch here, just like this, and select direction one-sided, select sketch, then you can choose any direction. You can through drag option, you can choose as your requirement, as per your desire. You can drag it. If you select two side, then second arrow will be appear, allowing you to the create extrude from both sides of the sketch with different dimension. Okay, now suppose here I am typing 40 and here 20. Then you can see preview look like this, And if you choose symmetry option, it will create extrude from both sides of the sketch with the same distance. Just you can type here symmetry and distance, you can change it. Just okay. Suppose you want to create cut in this cylinder. So first you can create any 2D sketch and hit the finish sketch. Select the extrude and select 2D sketch and drag to the bottom size to create the hole. And just okay. So you can see it will create a hole. If you want to edit, then go to the here option, right click, edit sketch, finish, go to the here extrude edit feature. And if you arrow up upper direction, then here we have option join, then this material will be added. Okay, and next added feature, here extend type is to object. So suppose you if you select the that face, then and here operation will be cut, then extrude will cut the material up to the particular face, as you can see in this preview. Okay, if you select that face, then it will cut up to the this face. If you select this face, then you can see it will cut up to the this face. Also you can add, here option is join, and if you select object, if you select this face, then it will object will add up to this top face. Okay, and here option is taper angle. If you want to create a taper solid, then you can change here taper angle. Suppose I am typing 10°, then you can see this sketch will be changed by the 10° taper angle. And also you can, this handle you can manually change the taper angle. And here type is two type. First is extrude and second one is thin extrude. If you select thin extrude, then what happen? It will create a thin solid features. Just click OK, then you can see it will create look like this. So this is all about extrude command in Fusion 360. So for more videos and updates, Do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. And we would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. And if you have any question, please ask them in comment section and I reply as soon I can. And see you in next Tech Tuesday video. Take care. Bye bye.